Welcome to my channel, Brain Heart Wonders. This is Zahra Ranjbar, and I am so pleased to be your host today. Brain Heart Wonders. This is the channel together with you. We are going to explore all the ways and all the strategies to optimize your brain function by tapping into the power of your brain and your heart unity simultaneously. And I believe this channel is going to be interesting and exciting to watch all the videos from now on. So before proceeding, please make sure you press the bell, like and subscribe. And also, I really appreciate if you share this video and coming videos to those who find this insight beneficial to them, especially those who are dealing with challenges, either business challenges or life challenges. And also, in this way, you are going to help me to spread the word about the channel and also help the algorithms. Thank you so much for that. Brain and heart, both of them, are very interesting organs in our body, and all organs are very interesting. But brain function, its complexity, it's very exciting to know about it, and as well as heart. 2-3 million years ago, brain was about 300 grams. Today, brain is 1.4 kilograms. It has been evolving. It has been transforming, changed a lot. Today, human beings reached a point easy for them to use high-tech technology to just land on the other planets. And today, it is digital, highly digital transformation, and also brain science. Science also has developed a lot because of the brain. So brain does it all. Brain has capacity to function at the optimal level, at the genius level. This is the natural mode of the brain. That is why there are in different, art, science, music, history, we have masterpieces. Okay? Brain is very interesting. It got 100 billion neurons, which is nerve cell, and 150 trillion of the neural pathway to work, to function properly. Brain, work through electrical, chemical, all this, the hormonal as well to function. Brain has electromagnetic fields, which usually maybe some people there are, familiar with the EEG, electroencephalogram. This is diagnostic test. They put the electrode here and then check the brain, record the brain wave. Okay, this is diagnostic test. Nowadays, they discover another instrument with a magnesencephalogram. They don't connect any electrode to the brain or body. They just keep it close to the brain, and this instrument records the brain activities. That is so interesting as well. Brain does a lot of things, not only memory, not only the, it has complexity in functioning. Brain can do all imagination, all visualization, attention, deep attention, and also analyze all the thoughts analyze of thinking, decision making, rational, reasoning, all in brain, happen in brain. Brain does it all. All the sensation through sensory nerves coming from all over the body to our brain. Brain elaborates all this information into memory, into emotion, into self-awareness, into self-knowledge. So brain does it all, and also brain connects us to the world. So all sensation coming from outside, from external forces, from our body, connect our body again back to external, to the world around us. Brain does it all. Very, very interesting. What about the heart? Heart has its own brain. In 1992, they discovered heart has got brain. But it is not as big, as huge as brain. It has only 50,000 neurons. Okay, but amazing things is heart sends more information to the brain than receive information from brain. Okay, receive to the brain more than getting back from the brain any information. Heart is the center for all the beautiful sensation, compassion, love, gratitude, appreciation, and also brain and heart is the center for intuition, sixth sense. In some people, it's much more stronger. Brain, heart, just like brain, has electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic field of the heart, 60% is more than brain. That's amazing. There is another thing amazing about the heart is heart doesn't only pump oxygenated blood to all over the body at the cellular level. There is another thing heart does. Heart sends all the sensation we mentioned before to the blood, and blood got a special vibration. This vibration goes all over the body, okay, at the cellular level. It is not philosophical, it is scientific as well. Okay, you can study yourself as well. So brain has got all the heart has got all the quality, beautiful, all the sensation, good sensation. So there is a lot to know about the brain. There is a lot to know about the heart. And in this channel, we have to talk about heart and brain because we need heart and we need our brain for any step we take in our life, especially those who are going to make a huge decision, long-term decision for success, to achieve goal they have, or long, term plan to achieve the goal. So in this channel, we are going to talk about what can we do to facilitate this road to achieve the goal by using our heart and our brain unity. Okay, with love and gratitude, I am looking forward to connecting with you soon in the following videos, and I wish you all the best, and please make sure to press the bell, like, and subscribe. See you soon, and God bless. Bye.